Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up SSH direct settings with Dark Tunnel VPN and custom servers. By the end of this guide, you'll have your VPN up and running, ensuring your internet traffic is both encrypted and secure. Let's dive right in. Step 1. First, open your browser and search for SSH Tunnel. Find the official site in the search results and click to enter. Here, you'll get the necessary server configurations we'll be using with Dark Tunnel VPN. Take a quick moment to explore the site and select the server location that suits you. Step 2. Once you've selected the server location, choose a specific server, enter a username and password, and complete the CAPTCHA. Hit create and within seconds, your server details, like username, password, IP address, and ports, will be generated. Make sure to copy these for later. Step 3. Next, head over to the Google Play Store, search for Dark Tunnel VPN, and install the app. This should only take a few minutes depending on your connection. Once installed, open the app. Step 4. Now, on the Dark Tunnel VPN homepage, you'll see fields for the SSH server settings. Replace the placeholder text with the details you copied earlier: your username, password, IP address, and port. Step 5. If you'd like to tweak any settings, tap three dots in the corner and select Enter Config. Here, you can customize tunneling options or encryption methods based on your preferences. Step 6. Once you've entered everything and are satisfied with your settings, hit the Connect button. Dark Tunnel VPN will establish the connection using your SSH settings, and in no time, your internet traffic will be secure. And that's it. You've successfully set up SSH direct settings on Dark Tunnel VPN. Your connection is now more private and secure. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.